Thanks for interesting to know about Clickfunnels Review Bridge Page. Clickfunnels Associate Program. There are two main paths individuals drop as Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Those that choose to use the tool for their company, in hopes of one day to be in the 2, Club, over $1 million in earnings. As well as those that have an interest in earning passive income as a Clickfunnels affiliate. As well as winning the Dream Car Contest. In that Dream Car Contest they pay you $500 per $1,000 in the direction of your dream car. But only if you get to 100-200 active regular monthly signups, respectively. With an amazing 40% monthly recurring commission. Clickfunnels Bridge Page has one of the best affiliate programs in the marketplace. That's right. You make money a recurring 40% payment on every affiliate signup you make via the Clickfunnels Bridge Page. Click the link below in this video for more updates. So, exactly what does this actually mean? The basic plan is a $97 per month investment and the Etison Suite plan is a $297 per month investment. As a result of that, you make $38.80 in each basic plan as well as $118.80 per Etison Collection strategy every single month. Typically, every 100 signups will certainly generate $4,000 per month in affiliate payments. This can be more or less depending on the number of signups you have in Etison Suite. Click here for more information concerning ending up being a Clickfunnels associate. Thanks for watching this video.